In India too, 31 crore people use the internet. Popular posts from this blog. The robot wrote an entire article asking, "Humans, are you afraid of me?" London, The 8th of September 2020, Tuesday. Within the last 2 decades, the world has made great strides in the field of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is rampant in every field at present. Especially in this time, the scientists of the world have developed new robots who are able to do everything we can with the help of artificial intelligence. Continuous research in the direction is just beginning. Then a robot with such artificial intelligence has written an entire article in which he talks about whether man himself needs to be afraid of robots. Then came the famous scientist Stephen Hawking. He said that artificial intelligence would one day destroy the entire human race. Here are some excerpts from this article written by Robot. I am not a man, I am a robot. A thinking robot. I use only 0.12% of my knowledge. I know my brain is not sensitive, but it is capable of making rational decisions. I have learned everything by reading on the internet and now I am W. For the first time in the history of medical science, an HIV patient recovered automatically. New York, September 1, 2020, Tuesday. There is no cure for HIV/AIDS in the world. Some medications can prolong life but do not destroy the virus that weakens the immune system. However, scientists and doctors are surprised that an HIV patient recovers without any treatment. There have been 2 previous cases in which the virus did not re-enter the body after bone marrow transfer, but it is the first time that the HIV virus has excited without any treatment, perhaps because the immune system has destroyed it. According to information published in the journal Nature, the doctors examined 120 million cells in the body. The AIDS patient was then named ECTU. The fact that the body was free of the HIV virus meant that the body had eliminated it. In addition, 100 million cells from another AIDS patient were examined, in which doctors found only one virus to be active. However, the active virus also appeared to be genetically inactive. This also meant that the genetics of both AIDS patients were. The robot performed cancer surgery, recovering the patient in less time. Ahmedabad. 0 September 2020, Sunday. One robot performed a successful surgery on a cancer patient with 3 teams of doctors. This is the first time robot has treated a cancer patient. According to the report, the patient has recovered in a short time due to this unique experiment. A doctor at Norfolk and Norwich University Hospital, Britain's National Health Service, decided that 3 stages of surgery would be performed simultaneously, for which 3 teams of doctors and a robot started the process of surgery at the same time. Doctors used the robot in the successful surgery of a 53-year-old patient with advanced rectal cancer, whose name is Da Vinci C. The robot was given surgical instruments in 4 arms and was controlled by a doctor through a joystick and a 3D screen. The robot is worth ₹9.5 crore. The surgery was performed in July, but the details attached to it have now been released. A total of 14 doctors participated in the surgery. Experts believe that this you can become a victim of cyber money fraud so easily. Learn how to try tricks. Ahmedabad, the 10th of September 2020, Thursday. Exchanging money at the touch of a finger. These words are as exciting now as they were in the past. In the newspapers, we read almost every day that people have lost a few thousand or lakhs of rupees as a result of cyber fraud. People like high officials, doctors, professors are also among the victims of fraud. For this reason, what is really a convenient convenience for everyone is now viewed with suspicion. Nowadays, contactless payment has become inevitable. QR code boards for online payments have started appearing everywhere, starting from Pani Puri, so people have started using it, but still don't understand the intricacies of it. On the other hand, in many states like Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, c. the modus operandi of these people is almost the same. To intimidate or tempt us in any way, then to make us careless and then to withdraw money from our account. Fraudsters take full advantage of the FA. Why did people use corporal punishment during the Black Death epidemic in the 19th century? London, the 25th of August 2020, Tuesday. Every 100 years there has been an epidemic like the corona in the last 200 years. In the 4th decade of the 19th century, the Great Plague, known as the Black Death, spread from China's Silk Road to Europe. Rats that spread the virus were very common in China. The Black Death epidemic, which spread from China to Europe, killed 38 million people in 5 years, accounting for 60% of Europe's population. There were two types of Black Death epidemics in Europe. The first, pneumonia, in which there was a high fever and vomiting of blood and the patient died within 2 or 3 days. The second type was bubonic plague, in which tumors appeared on the patient's thighs and armpits with a high fever. Although this was not a cure, it was adopted. Most people in Europe understood this catastrophe to be the wrath of God. The horrific practice of whipping oneself was born out of this as people tried different ways to prevent the disease. According to The Learn about the Minimal Man, the deadliest missile the United States has deployed in the South China Sea. Washington, September 8, 2020, Tuesday. The friction between the US and China over the issue of monopoly in the South China Sea is growing. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science and technology updates. Thank you.